In this video, we'll see what to do if you cannot use Cloud Firestore in Firebase console. So sometimes Firebase suggests you to go to Cloud Firestore in Datastore mode because maybe your app has images and videos, and it is better if you use Cloud Console instead. So to solve this problem, we need to click here, or you can go to console.cloud.google.com and then select your project. I am working on a project called Watermelon here, and it has a very unique ID here, and every project has unique ID. You need to select the perfect one that you are working on, and then click on activate cloud shell. It will open a terminal for your project. If it opens a wrong project, you need to select again, match the ID, and then click on the plus icon again. It opened a wrong terminal, so I need to click on the plus icon, and now it will work for my watermelon project. So now you need to type this line of code here: command gcloud alpha firestore databases update, then the rest of the thing, then click enter, and it will take some time. Then you can see that it will give a message and you are done. Now you can go back and let's go back, and you will see that my project is working. Now I can use Cloud Firestore in my Firebase console. So that's it. Thank you for watching.